Hey,
We're back.
yeah.
What's up? We're gonna be reacting to Nicki Minaj.
Last time I saw you,
Nicki Minaj. Last time I saw you, it's an official audio.
she's releasing an album soon, so that's here. But Nicki is always same old, so I don't think I'll be surprised.
We'll see.
She has never changed like sound or whatever.
What do these celebrities have to do to stay in such great shape?
Go to the Dominican
probably-
Republic and a couple of doctor fees. Because they don't work out. I'm sorry, they don't.
Yeah, but procedures you can actually see afterwards. Am I wrong? Especially
Yeah, but
when
it takes time.
comes
You
to-
can book. You book off. Maybe you spend 2 months without being in the limelight.
Yeah, but she's been in the limelight for a long time. She can't be going to a series of doctors. I highly doubt that she works out that often.
Obviously,
Maybe
it's
it's great
genes
genetics.
and procedure. We remember S Bastard or some shit on that was show.
Yeah.
It's having a great doctor.
Begging me to stay, and then you walk away. There's something that you wanted to say. I was in a rush, and you say you were crushed, and I said I'd be back, it's okay. I wish I heard you tighter than the sound that I saw you. I wish I didn't waste precious time the night when I called you. I wish I remembered to say I'd do anything for you. Maybe I pushed you away because I thought that I'd bore you. Listen, so close but we were so distant. Wish I'd have known in that instant. Ignored the hints or I missed it. I killed it. You'd always be in attendance. No flights but always attendant. Handwritten letter, you penned it. Them nights we wish never ended. Those rules that we wish we bended. Heartbreak that we never mended. Those messages we unsended. Best friends we somehow unfriended. Ain't care about who we offended. Parties they wish we attended. Got drunk and laughed, it was splendid. I wish I
I like the raps. But
Yeah, that's probably like the Nicki Minaj formula.
I think she's fallen into that Lil Wayne line. That Lil Wayne hole where she is, you know that she's talented, she can rap, she can give you nice bars, but it's like,
Same old.
same old, same old.
Yeah, but Nicki has never been like artistically,
Versatile.
experimental.
Because
Nah,
this-
she's never.
You can argue that it also sounds like that. No, it's not you. What's that song where she talks about? I hear Kaya could have been 16 any moment. What's that song?
I don't know.
I'll think about it. It kind of sounds like that song. Yeah, I'll think about it while we reacting.
heard you tighter than the sound that I saw you.
All Things Go. That's the song I'm thinking about. All Things Go. All things go.
Your vocals suck.
Fuck off.
Naked balls.
I wish I didn't waste precious time the night when I called you. I wish I remembered to say I'd do anything for you. Maybe I pushed you away because I thought that I'd bore you. Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. Wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. Wish I might wish I didn't waste precious time and I would like you. I knew the moment I met you that I'd always adore you. Maybe I pushed you away because I thought that I adore you.
Okay.
Good record.
Yeah. You don't do
It's
bad.
not a bad record.
But yeah.
But yeah, it goes back to what I was saying, that Nicki can rap, dude. Nicki can rap. Nicki can really rap. It's the same thing with Lil Wayne. They really can rap. But the problem is, now it's just... I feel like I'm a fan of these people because of nostalgia reasons.
Yeah.
They...
Because
Yeah.
it's like if you come to someone and say play a Wayne song, you're not playing something from the past 4 years.
And even with Nicki Minaj, it's like... I would rather listen to Cardi because you know she's going to say something that's... What? Why would you
Yeah,
say
she's
that?
interesting, yeah.
Why would you say
Cardi
that?
has the wow factor.
Yeah,
She
why
has
would
the
you
wow
say that?
factor.
That's what I'm saying. With Nicki, it's like you're still talking about partying and break up.
Yeah, like she's timid, especially
you're
for
married,
this era.
bro. Yeah,
That's-
you're married.
She's very timid. It's like there's nothing that she'll say that will give you shock value.
That's
Or
what,
like or rewind, like
that's what
ooh.
I'm saying. Might as well just get in a beef with the girls that like have an outright beef with this line, with this tracks, and not this.
So I'm like, as much as okay, yes, the other girls don't have Nicki type of career and longevity, but in this era they're gonna
But they
outdo Nicki.
because they also have that thing that I wish you would type of thing where
and they have something new
you see
to say.
you see girls like Lado who
Yeah.
where you see them referencing Nicki's alleged cocaine thing. You like, and they have that thing where you know that they want all the smoke,
Yeah.
as opposed to Nicki. Nicki has always been,
That's why I've never.
I'm gonna throw rocks and hide my hands, and you're not allowed to touch me. See, I'm a platinum selling artist. You're not, so we're not the same.
Yeah, because it's like she wants the legendary respect, which she deserves,
And to me,
but she can't be getting in the mud with the new guys.
to me, Nicki should be in the top 20 at least. Top 20 at least.
Rappers of all time.
Rappers of all time.
Okay.
Like, she's killed a lot of rappers in a
In
lot
features,
of
yeah.
verses, in a lot of features. The longevity,
Yes.
she's sold a lot.
Yes.
Like, there's no reason why she shouldn't be in the conversation about
I think
top.
the problem. I think what
15.
makes it very debatable is her discography, as far as hip hop is concerned.
Yeah, but the problem is now, even with Drake is just as guilty as Nicki in terms of branching off to other genres.
Yes, but Drake has more hip hop songs than Nicki does.
No,
Way
Drake,
more.
no.
Think about it. Think even the tracks where you say Nicki was spitting here,
Yeah.
it's most probably a pop song.
Yeah, but it's still acknowledge the line.
I'm not saying you shouldn't acknowledge the verse.
Yeah, but
Right?
think about it like this.
But I'm saying if you're gonna go rappers.
Yeah, but think about it like this. You're basically shooting yourself in the dick or the leg. Sorry for my language. You're shooting yourself in the leg if you think bars are gonna last you 10 years.
No, they won't. But I'm saying even this. I'm talking even beat selection, just
Yeah.
sound. Because for
Yeah,
instance, we
Nicki
can
has
say.
always been the same with the sound. and
Because
everything.
let's take T.I. for instance. T.I. has had a long career with many hits, right?
I doubt. Nope.
T.I. has been the shit since like 2005.
Yeah, his career has not been that long.
But it span across until to the
No.
2015s.
No, maybe.
If it ain't about the money,
that's
come
like,
on,
that's
dog.
like 20. That's like
that's 2013.
2014.
thereabouts.
2014.
But that's what I'm saying.
During the young, and
He's had.
that's just one record. That's just one
No,
record.
but I'm saying that's the longevity.
Yeah, but if you're gonna have, but what I'm saying is, if you're gonna have a dope song in 1990 and then have another dope song in 2020,
T.I.
it doesn't
has
mean
hits,
you've been consistent. just means you just had a good record.
No, T.I. is a solid discography.
He does,
But
but
the point that I make-
after 2011, I don't see his discography. Maybe it's some of the songs with Lil Wayne, like some of the songs he's made with Lil Wayne. I forgot the songs.
The point that I'm making is, if you're gonna take Nicki and put it like, let's strictly talk about hip hop, you're gonna fall short because most of her tracks are crossover. That's the point that I'm
but
making.
the point I'm making is, even with T.I., live your life. If you're gonna make a top 20, let's let them battle. You know, T.I. is not allowed to use Lose Your Life. Is not allowed to. Okay, whatever you like is still more hip hop. A lot of people are gonna fail if you're not gonna use the pop records. A lot of people.
No, I'm not saying you should disregard the pop. I'm saying she has, out of all the great rappers, she has the least hip hop songs, number of hip hop songs. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but in those songs she spits, I don't think it should matter. That's the point I'm trying to make.
It does matter.
Even
when it
Lauryn
comes to
Hill.
the song.
Lauryn Hill is an amazing singer. She's still regarded as one of the
Yes.
best rappers ever. But she's singing.
Yes.
That's what I'm
That's the
making.
shortfall with female MCs.
That's a-
Most of them, they have highlights of raps and verses, but most of the songs, they either crossover or pop. That's the shortfall with female MCs.
Yeah, but even with male MCs.
Yes, the biggest hits would be crossover. But
Yes.
they have more hip hop tracks that were singles.
Yeah, but even those hip hop the problem, even those hip hop songs, sometimes they would have like experimental songs. Like Lil Uzi Vert is way more.
No, we're talking greats here. I'm talking greats.
Okay, but the point I'm trying to make is Nicki Minaj should be regarded in terms of that, because even with Eminem's biggest songs in the last 13 years, it was mostly songs that are crossover.
Yeah.
So you can't say that Eminem has been consistent and then say Nicki Minaj has not been consistent.
No, I'm not saying she's not being
No,
inconsistent.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, in terms of like rap, like you're not gonna get to a 20-year career without fusing.
All I'm saying is there's a vacuum, and it's yet to be filled, where there's gonna be a female version of Wayne, who's gonna have just as many hip hop, rap-y songs as much as they have crossover songs. It's yet still to happen.
Yeah, okay. With me personally, dude, I'll say this until
But
Nicki
Nicki's
Minaj-
definitely
Nicki
a top
Minaj-
tier artist.
Nicki Minaj is the greatest female rapper of all time. You can argue that there's Missy Elliott who made like trend-setting music, but in terms of rap, Nicki Minaj is the greatest female rapper of all time. I don't care. You can bring Cardi, you can bring Lotto, you can bring anyone else.
That was too new.
Yeah, but in some people actually like them. That's why
But
that's why people are even.
It's insignificant.
That's why people are
It's not
even
a comparison.
They're even saying that there's a chance that Lotto can win a rap battle between her and Nicki. She cannot. She cannot. The only reason Nicki is not seen
Megan
as
can spit.
who?
Megan Thee Stallion.
Megan does not touch Nicki Minaj.
I
There is.
don't know about that.
She does not touch
No,
Nicki
I'm
Minaj.
not debating. I'm saying I don't know. I haven't heard enough of either of them to make that. But I'm saying from the things that I've listened to, they freestyles.
Once Megan Thee Stallion, Cardi B, Lotto, all of those people, if they release songs where they're holding their own against Lil Wayne, Jay-Z, Kanye West, not even Kanye West, Kanye West is not
Kanye
even
can't
a
rap.
rapper. Jay-Z, Eminem, because Roman's Revenge was a fire song.
Mm-hmm.
So if they cannot hold their own against those guys, they're not Nicki Minaj. I'm sorry. There's no way. There's no way, because Nicki is a real rapper. She is not that they're not real rappers, but Nicki Minaj, she raps like a guy. I'll just say that. She's that dope. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and suggest
Any videos you want us
any
to react
videos.
to.
I can't believe this
and
video is this long. Jesus
Watch all
Christ.
the other videos. And yeah. Bye bye.
See you.